All right, so I am here to show you how this spelling choice board will work. We are doing this choice board this week, and then we will continue using it throughout the school year, and we will actually alternate it back and forth each week between a spelling choice board and a vocabulary choice board. So regardless of what we're doing, you will have something similar to this each week. So instead of me explaining every single week what we're doing, I wanted to give you a video. That way, if you forgot, you could come back and you could refer to this. So when you have your spelling choice board, so for example, this week is consonant digraphs. And so if you are in present mode, it's actually easier because it will allow you to click on these direct links that go places to create something for this spelling choice board. So this first one is called Create a Scene. It says use Toonie tool to create a visual cartoon scene, add speech bubbles, and try to use 5 of your words in sentences to fit with your scene. So once you click this Toonie tool, this will pop up. I think this is one of the most fun activities that you can do for this spelling choice board. It allows you to pick whatever background you want. You can actually import something on your own. Let's say if you saved a picture from Google, you could do that as well. If you wanted to add characters, you could add these characters, and again, you could choose it from your own. You could add text boxes. So let's say I want to pick this one, and I'm going to write, "Hi, how are you?" You can change the font, you can change the alignment, you can make it bold, and then you just click apply and then drag it. You can add props to it. So let's say I want the cake or the bear to have a cake next to them. I can make it smaller. If I decided I didn't want something, I could always click on it and delete it. Now, here's the fun part. When you're ready to download it, you will click the word download and you'll see that it pops up down here. You can't really see it, but it says image 4. Now, when I go back to my spelling choice board, when I come back, I have to click exit or escape in order to fill in these boxes, right? So with my create a scene, I'm actually going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to create a new slide and then click over here, insert image. And then instead of searching the web, which we're used to, I will click upload from my computer. Now, if you have a Chromebook from the school, when you click download, your picture will actually save to Drive instead of mine where it saves to the computer. So for some of y'all, you will click Drive and it should pop up on your recent ads. Now for me, I'm going to click image and then upload from computer, and it is on my recently downloaded section. And then there it is. Once you're done with a certain board, right, a certain square, you are going to drag one of the X's on top of it. So let's say I created that scene, I did what I should have been doing, and I put this X. Now this says each time you complete an activity, drag a red X to lay on top of the rectangle you completed. However many I'm requiring you to do for that week, I will put it right here. I might say complete 4 activities this week. So then my students would know, okay, they need to pick 4 to do. So again, I go back to present mode if I want these direct links to work. ABC Yaz word search. So this is create a word search. Use ABC Yaz word search creator to create a word search using all of your words, then solve the digital version. So I could click on this direct link. Once it opens, I'll click this arrow. First, I want to name my puzzle. So let's say I want to put closed syllables. So it actually limits me. So closed syllable. Now I would type or paste the words for my puzzle. So let's met, bat, cat, match. We'll just do this for now. It's actually making me do at least 5, sat. Once I do at least 5, you'll have 10 words because we have 10 spelling words. You would actually click the online version. Once you click that, you'll go to the next step. And here it is. So then I will actually play it, and then you can either screenshot it or just say that you've done it and I can trust you on that. So I'm going to close out of both of these, go back to this, highlight it. So it says use the highlighted template below, type your 10 words in the text boxes, and drag the yellow squares to highlight all of the vowels. This may change depending on the pattern. So I'm going to exit out of here. I will go to my highlighted section. And then let's say one of my words is the word thousand. So for example, I told my students this week, since we are doing digraphs, instead of highlighting the vowels, I wanted them to highlight the digraphs. So for this sake, this example, the TH, is the digraph, so I would highlight that. Now, let's say for some reason I say, okay, I do want you to highlight the vowels. If I type the word vowels, then I would just move this highlighted spot to all of my vowels in that certain word. Okay, then I would go back here. Let's say I did the highlight one. Now create a word cloud. So this is a fun one, and it's really fun for those that like the colors and being creative and everything like that. So this says create a word cloud of all your words using ABC as word cloud generator. Again, that direct link should work. Once you are there, you click the play button, start, and then it says type or paste your words below. So I'm just going to put who, what, let's see, who, what, when, and where. I click create. And it looks like we are having an issue. Let me refresh. Technology is only good when it works, right? Let's try this one more time. If it doesn't work, I will show you what a word cloud looks like. So when it does work, nope, not gonna work. Okay, so word cloud. These are what word clouds look like. So they would put their 10 words in here and it would pop up like this. They can change the font, they can change the color, they can change the format, whatever it may be. That is how you do the word cloud if it works. Then we have sorted. This is one of my favorite ones. It says use one of the sorting mats included below. Type all 10 words in the rectangles. Fill in the sort features at the top of the chart and then drag and drop your words to their correct category. For example, open verse closed syllables. So again, I'll press exit. If I was doing open verse closed syllables, I would sort it two ways. So I would go to my sorted to spelling features. I would type in open and I would type in close. So let's say my words were me, hat, by, and sat. I would then sort them based on if they were open or closed syllables, right? So this week we are doing digraphs, so they're actually sorting it by 4 spelling features. So they have the TCH digraph, they have the NG digraph, the TH digraph, and the WH digraph. So then they would type in their 10 words. So let's say one of our words is actually the word thousand. I would say, okay, thousand has the TH digraph, so I would drag that to the TH spot. And what's nice about this template is there are up to 5 types of spelling features. Now, if there's a different way that the kids want to sort it and it's not the one that I suggest, that's fine, as long as it's what they believe is true. Okay, so back to our spelling choice board. So these two kind of go, the next two kind of go hand in hand. You have the write it and you have the record it right here. So the write it, go to the sentences paragraph slide and type sentences or paragraph using all of your words. So I click that, then I'd click exit or escape because now I can type it in here. So it says underline or bold your spelling word. So again, if my word is thousand, I might say, I wish I could win $1,000. I'll do $1,000. Then I would underline the word thousand to let my teacher know that I have underlined it. You could also just type a paragraph, so a story using all of your words. So if you do that, then when you come back over here to the recorded section, it's really easy because you can just click Vocaroo to record yourself using 10 of your spelling words and sentences. You come here, you press the record button, it records it for you. Then once you're done, you press stop and you can actually save it and share it. 2 more, spin the wheel. Using wheel of names, type all of your spelling words in the box, then spin the wheel 5 times. Type the 5 words you spin in a sentence. So again, if I click on the direct link, I have to be in present mode. These are some of the examples I used earlier. I would spin it. Then whatever word I landed on. So for example, this one says who. So now I would use the word who in a sentence. I would remove it and then I'd click it again so I could spin it 5 separate times. And then the last one, rainbow words. Use the rainbow word slide template below to type your words and change the font color of each letter to represent the colors of the rainbow. So again, I press exit or escape. I go down to the rainbow words and then I type my word. So again, my example word is thousand. This week I actually told them to keep their digraphs black, so I would come over here and I could either use the highlight one or you can actually change the letters. I think for me, I'm going to just change the highlighting because that way you can still see the word. So I would go through and I would change all of these to whatever font colors I want. And then I'm done for now. And then I'd have to type my other 9 words in there. All right, so again, this is how this spelling choice board works. These 9 activities will be the ones that we use for the next few months. Again, it could be anywhere from completing 3 tic-tac-toe version ones, right? So 3 across, 3 down, or 3 diagonally. It could be, fill the whole thing up in 1 week, or it could just be every now and then pick 3, pick 4, pick 5, whatever ones you want. So remember, if you have any questions, just refer back to this video. It's really nice because you can actually pause it and go back and listen to it as many times as you want in case you're confused or in case your parents want to watch it as well. As always, you can always ask any of your teachers for help and we will be more than happy to help you. Thank you.